I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University, Lucknow. Today, we will discuss about the business policy and strategic management. Business policy and strategic management. So, we have already told that policy versus strategy will come down. Like policy is basically a written document. Okay. So a policy is a statement, verbal, written or implied, of those principles and rules that are set by managerial leadership as guidance and constraints for the organization through an action. So it is to be a document. The purpose of the policy is to enable the management to relate properly and the organization work to be as per the objectives. Now, because the existence of practical and comprehensive policies tend to increase efficiency. Each and everything, if you have to have the written document, then definitely we can read and then accordingly we can understand the policies to be there. इसको ऐसे समझ लेते हैं कि जब भी कभी आप कभी कोई प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हैं, कोई भी whatever, तो उसके अंदर एक आपको लीफ इंसर्ट मिलता है, लीफ इंसर्ट, ब्रोशर्स, whatever. आप उसको पढ़ते हैं तो आपको पता चलता है कि इस प्रोडक्ट में क्या क्या चीजें हैं और उसमें क्या क्या और चीजें जान सकते हैं. और दैट इज टू बी रिटन डॉक्यूमेंट, तो हम कुछ भी उसमें घपला नहीं कर सकते. अगर वैसा ना हो तो कुछ भी चीजें हम इसमें काट सकते हैं. I will just tell you small stories to be there regarding the policy matters too, because I have already read it, even listened down also. One of my teacher, they told that when the Hero Honda come down, Honda company जो है वो इंडिया में आई, तो they want to develop a motorcycle बनाना चाहते थे और उनके पास जो मशीनरी थी वो 80 सीसी की थी, 80 सीसी की. और उस 80 सीसी की बाइक वो चाहते थे कि हम इंडिया में लॉन्च करें और अच्छे से चले. उस समय मार्केट जो है वो बजाज के पास था और कई कंपनीज और भी थी, बट जो होल्ड था वो बजाज के पास था, महाराष्ट्र स्कूटर्स के नाम से. और इन्होंने कहा कि 80 सीसी, अरे कैसे पॉसिबल है, बिकॉज हमारे पास तो पहले ही 150 सीसी का मिनिमम स्कूटर्स है और 100 का हमने कब ज्वाइन लॉन्च किया था, वो बेकार हो गया. देन दे टोल्ड कि कुछ तो है. उस समय मुंजाल साहब थे कि हम चलो इंटर इन द फील्ड ऑफ मोटर बाइक्स बिजनेस वगैरह में उतरे. होंडा ने इसे कॉन्वर्ट किया. इन्होंने अपनी मोटरसाइकिल फर्स्ट जो है वो लॉन्च की, दैट इज हीरो होंडा CD 100. अगेन हमने आपसे यहां पे क्यों बात कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज when they develop this in a brochure form, brochure, booklet, whatever, so जो insert, they have clearly mentioned that engine capacity is 80 cc. The name can be Hero Honda CD 100, but as per the policy matter, as per the documentation process, things is very clear that that is the 80 cc to be there. Legal actions later on, things will come down. Someone is going to give, this is the engine power commands की, और फिर भी they have to show down. नहीं, you have to see that I have already claimed this is the 80 cc bike, और give the performance later on is converted into the 100 cc. but हम यहाँ पे बात इसलिए कर रहे हैं because policy is a document which is to be legalized and we have to put down the register of practical and comprehensive policies tend to increase efficiency. Then decision made within a policy framework have a higher probability of being synchronized with other decisions within the company, because that is already a written process, or refers to the decision about future of an enterprise, guiding frameworks for repetitive decisions, top management to lower management involvement, and setting long-term objective of the enterprise, study of functions and responsibility of senior management concerning crucial problems by the way of the policy. And policies also provide direction to the organization and shape of future towards the organization side. We can also say down like business policy is a set at different level of management concerning different responsibilities. And what about the responsibilities to be there? Responsibility. Number first, dividend policy decided by the board of directors. Second, capital allocation for expansions is to be the top management. Revenue matters or sales administrations, it can be carried out by the middle management process, and routine action, it can be carried out by lower management. Now the difference is strategic management will be take care only by the top management, but in the business policy, state by state, decision making process can be changed. Now, in the business policy, the certain characteristics is to be there. Policy refers to total enterprise or a large segment of it, that is change in organization goals. Then long-term perspective and commitment was there. Then uses of critical resources with environmental contributions and process in nature was carried out by the business policy. Identification of opportunities and choosing the right strategy can be taken care by the means of business policy. Adaptation to the changing environment is to be taken care by the business policy, because business policy reviewed every stage of the policy wherever the letter of policy is to be there. Then accordingly, when we have to carry on, so why in the management field we have put down business policy as a field of study? Why? डॉक्यूमेंट है, जस्ट टू पुट डाउन, रख दीजिए और इसके बाद आराम से जो कंपनी कहेगी वैसा हम कर लेंगे. तो व्हाई वी हैव टू पुट डाउन इन द टर्म्स ऑफ द बिजनेस पॉलिसी इन द फील्ड ऑफ मैनेजमेंट साइंस टू बी देयर? बिकॉज इट गिव्स एन इंटीग्रेटेड व्यू ऑफ मैनेजमेंट बेस्ड नॉलेज एंड एक्सपीरियंस. मैनेजमेंट बेस्ड नॉलेज, मैनेजमेंट बेस्ड. We have already told that management is science and the arts both. अगर हम कहते हैं 2 into 2 is equal to 4 होता है, right? So this is already proved by the theorem of what? वर्क स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट की बात करते हैं, किसी को हाइजेनबर्ग की थ्योरीज की बात करते हैं, अगर एल्टन मायो की थ्योरीज की बात करते हैं कि इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लाइट अगर हम बढ़ाएंगे तो आदमी की प्रोडक्टिविटी कम हो जाएगी, बिकॉज दैट इज ऑलरेडी प्री डिसाइडेड. दिस इज ऑलरेडी थ्योरीज हैज टू बी ऑलरेडी फाउंडेड दिस टाइप ऑफ. सो बिजनेस पॉलिसी is and gives an integrated view of management based knowledge and experience. That's why in the study we take care. Then complexities of business and its constraint with environment we have down there. That's why. Then broader perspective of management learning. Here we have to provide. Then study of top management and responsibilities and decision making process was carried out by the means of study of business policy. And then conceptualization of key business processes to be carried out. So in this means of business policy, a preparation for performance as a general manager and broadening of perspective of specialist is to be taken care by the means of business policy. This business policy also provides the understanding and implementation of strategic management process. We will strategic management process. Because strategic management, we have developed a strategy, or a strategy is the whole source of the attitude. Because in the attitude, what is to be there? Generalistic rather specialist. In the policy, if I am the arrogant is fine, but whenever we develop any strategy, arrogancy, I can give down any type of orders, whatever the need is to be there. But when we develop any type of policy, because policy is a written document or visualization is to be possible, so generalistic rather than specialist we have to take care. Then view of the practitioners take care, orientation of professional businessmen we have to take care, and more values and creativity and innovation than to maintenance of that also. Then why we have to business policy as a strategic tool was there? Because in the business policy, the main objective is objective of knowledge. Objective of knowledge. Objective of knowledge. Knowledge is basically two types. That is concepts and situations. Concept and situations. And objective of skills. Two things was there. Objectives of skills. Again the skill is the two things is to be there. Like ability, हम कर सकते हैं, और एनालिसिस एबिलिटी, सोचते हैं पहले कि कर पाएंगे कि नहीं, एनालिसिस एबिलिटी. So whatever the policy is to be there, whatever the objectivity is to be there, this thing is to be carried out in that manual is to be there. So whenever we have developed strategy, business policy was there, conditions we totally changed scenario was there. So in the business policy, if you have to look after, on the basis of business policy, we have to see down the strategies to be there. Because in the business policy, if you have to look after the mirror, like a strategy, on use of the strategic policies. So strategy is defining and achieving an organization objectives and implement its mission. Large scale, future-oriented plan for interacting with competitive environment to optimize achievement of an organization objectives. It is to be the long-term policies to be, or it is the large scale and future-oriented to be there. And the strategy pattern of an organization's response to its environment over the time. This topic. And then it's to be the long-term objectives, purpose of an organization. Long-term. What we develop the strategy today, the result may be come down later on. आप इसको ऐसे देख लीजिए कि आप चाय बनाते हैं और चाय में चाय की पत्ती डालते हैं. अगर हम चाय की पत्ती डाल के तुरंत उसमें से हटा लें, दूध गर्म करते हुए हटा लें, तो क्या पत्ती जो टी लीव्स होती है उसका वो इंपैक्ट आता है जिसको हम रियली एक हार्ड टी के बारे में बात करें? शायद, मे बी, बट हमारे ख्याल से शायद नहीं आ पाता है. तो उसका इफेक्ट कब आता है? आफ्टर सर्टेन टाइम, मे बी आफ्टर सेकेंड्स, मे बी आफ्टर मिनट, वॉट एवर. So the main thing, whatever the strategy we will develop in today's, the result will come down in a futuristic approach. Because long-term objectives or the purpose of an organization is to be very clear in that. And different from operating decisions, that is day-to-day related activities, is to be carried out by the strategy on the basis of policy. So now with the business policy, strategy is already clear. Now what is the strategic management? Strategic management is a set of decisions and actions resulting in formulating and implementing of strategies designed to achieve the objectives. Because strategy means strategic management or corporate strategic. Corporate strategy. Corporate strategy. When this strategy comes down and the business prospect, things can be carried out by the corporate strategy. And corporate strategic management is basically a set of decisions and action resulting in formulation and implementing of strategies designed to achieve the objectives in the corporates. And it is requirement is due to the complexity and sophistication of business decision making process. That's why the strategic management is to be carried out and the corporate strategic management is to be carried out. And in the corporate strategic management, effective dealing with environment challenges with given organization is to be available. Now, dimensions of corporate strategic management or corporate strategic management or strategic management. What were the dimensions? Whatever the dimension is to be there. So, in the dimensions, certain was there, like certain things. Dimension is very clear. भाई एक आपके पास एक रास्ता है कि हमें किधर जाना है। बहुत सारे वहां से वेज हैं आपके पास, कहीं से आप यहां पे हैं, आपको किधर जाना है, सभी कहीं ना कहीं से घूम के इस जगह पे आ रहे हो बाय चांस। ये ऐसे आ रहा होगा, ये ऐसे आ रहा होगा, ये ऐसे आ रहा होगा, व्हाटएवर, ये ऐसे आ रहा होगा टाइम। So dimensions in multi-facilitated is to be there, but we have to select in which direction we have to go down, by which less effort, maximum profitability, maximum revenue should be come down in the business. Because business, what is business? Business is basically to get down certain things in the form of profit-making things. We should get down. So in the dimensions, whenever we have discussed about the dimensions is basically the certain, because in the terms of the strategic management and the business policy, dimensions of strategic management or corporate strategic management. Corporate. First one is top management decision. Top management decision. Business policy is to be cleared. Things are carried out by the means of business policy is to be designed channels, channel by channel. As per the requirement, a subordinate can also develop some business policy for the organization for the long-term development. But whenever we have discussed about the strategic management, is to be take care only by the top management decision is to be there. So, first, top management. Top management decisions. Second, because these are the dimensions in which. Second, allocation of large amount of company resources. Allocation of large amount of company resources. Whatever the strategy we have developed is to be the long-term process. So, our whatever we have resources is to be allotment on the long-term basis to be there. Then, whatever the strategy we develop today, result will be come down after 5 years, after 10 years to be there. इंश्योरेंस कंपनी किस पे चलती है? आज पर नहीं चलती. वो कहती है you take the insurance or you take the investment in this insurance policy and see what will give after your death, after 10 years, after 15 years, whatever. Same thing here also. In the strategy, what we will develop the strategy today, the result will be come down after 5 or 10 years or whatever the impact. Depend on the institution, depend on the business organization, depend on the situation, depend on the implications to be there. So, allocations, then significant impact on the long-term prosperity of the firm. Significant impact. Significant impact on the long-term prosperity of the firm. Because whatever the institution developed today, it is to be developed for years and years and years to be. Not a single institution is just develop. आज बनाओ कल को इंस्टीट्यूशन बंद कर देंगे, नहीं. They want कि हमें जैसे जैसे इंस्टीट्यूशन चलेगा वैसे वैसे हम आगे आगे काम करते जाएंगे. Next dimensions to be 4, that is a future oriented. Future. I already told you regarding the corporate strategy or business strategy or strategic management, we have to put on the future oriented. Whatever the decision we take is to be oriented toward the side of the future. Because we will not take this type of decision कि आज हम बना लेते हैं कल को हम इसको हटा लेंगे, नहीं. Whatever the thing is to be there is to be carried out step by the means of the business policy, and as per the policy, because policy will be guidelines and guideline instructions to be here, so we have developed that type of strategic intent was there. So in the future orientation was there. Then major multi-functional or multi-business consensus should be there. Multi-function consequences should be there. Multi-function consequences should be there. So what is a multi-function? Multi-function or multi-business? Whatever. Multi-business, whatever, both. Because strategy is not effect or effect in today's scenario. Maybe if effect can be come down, effect can be come down. but it's to be applied in multi-dimensional field was there. As the multi-dimensional field is to be carried out, definitely we will look after each and every prospect is to be there. And then consideration of factors corresponding to firm's external environment, because whatever the strategy will develop is to be on the external and internal factors. Here in the strategy formulation, we have to most concern about the external factors of the organization, because consideration should be taken care by the external factors. And if these external factors is not be carried out accordingly, our system will not work. So in today's business, in today's scenario was there, whatever the work is to be carried out, we have developed certain policies and strategy. In the policy, we have already policy, strategy, corporate strategy, because we are discussing corporate strategy, and overall strategic management. Strategic management. So when a manager uses his planning, organizing, directing, evaluation and control process applied by the means of the strategy in policy, strategy or corporate strategy, things will be very, very understandable. So as and when we will discuss today according to corporate policy, according to business policy, then how this to be related with the strategy, and how this strategy is to be related with the corporate world, and corporate world how we have to manage the strategic management. This is overall things.